a week ago, I saw this picture and I said, this is the vibe I am trying to create all winter long. I understand it's October. My mind is already planning for winter sewing. So I hopped on to Stonemountain Fabrics. I've never ordered from them before, but I've always heard good things. And so I ordered quite a few swatches. So let's unbox, open together. I've heard good things. The package says sewing is magic on there, so that already gives me warm and fuzzies. How do I, oh, right there, okay. We're just getting into it. Oh, wow. Okay. It's in 2 little bundles. So I ordered a whole bunch of plaids and quite a few rayons and viscoses. So we'll start with that one. Oh, wow. Okay, so how they do their swatches is they just do 1/8 of a yard of fabric. So it's 36 inches long, but it's like 4 inches wide. This is, look at this. Wow. I thought this check was gonna be a lot smaller. Okay. You'll also get my first impressions of everything. This is really cute, but like, this is a bit much for what I was going for. I do like this fabric though. What is this? This is a designer dead stock cotton plaid. Okay, I like this, but like not for the upcoming season. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Oh, it got so dark. I'm filming in natural light. Hold on. Okay, the next. This is nice. This is nice. What is this? Wool tweed buffalo check designer dead stock, British designer dead stock. I think they specialize in dead stocks. Okay, I love this. I think this would make a very cute skirt. I'm trying to put it together like a little double. The checks are so big. Like the plaid didn't look this large on the internet. I didn't read the scale though, but I really like. Okay, this is in a possible order. And then I got this. Oh yeah, I got a couple shirtings just to see. I like this. Sometimes we reach the end of the boat and give you a little extra. I like that. So I'm thinking about making like a collared shirt or just more shirts for the colder months. I do like this. I just wanted to feel the fabric. I think this looks Japanese. Yeah, Japanese cotton shirting. Mini check. I like this. This came in several prints, but I had a feeling that this would be nice. Okay. This plaid. I don't like this. It's very, is this a shirting? Linen, that's why I don't like it. I don't love linen. I also want to make a couple shirt dresses, so I was shopping for that. So I think this would be a cute shirt dress. And then this is a no. But you all know how I feel about linen. Oh, this is the, okay. Oh, this is I could actually make something out of this. So this is, I had ordered, this is a linen too. I don't hate this one as much, but I wish it were like a flannel or a shirting, not linen, because then it'd be a bit thicker. Because I had this fabric I ordered a while ago and I made something before I knew what I was doing and I'm rusted up and I can't get it back, but this is the same print, so I've been trying to find it again. This just looks washed out and I haven't even washed it yet. So we're not gonna be wasteful. Put it to the side. They'll put that in the like, whatever pile. Okay, this is a viscose triple crepe suiting in sunshine yellow. Love this. So cute. I've never owned like fancy crepe, so I was curious what it's like. Oh, it's much more opaque than this. Is beautiful. I love this. This is not season appropriate, but I don't care. Yes. Okay, that's all for the first package. What? Okay, we'll do it. Okay, hold on. Oh, okay, this is the wool linen viscose novelty plaid. I don't know why I keep saying it with an accent. Plaid. And I imagine this as like a jacket for me, but like, this is really living up to my bougie auntie persona. This could be a jacket, I can make this a 3-piece situation. I love this. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. Okay, yes. Okay. Oh, this is it. I forgot I ordered 2. Okay. When I told you about I made the shirt dress, okay, this is the same fabric. I could definitely remake it. This one is a cotton shirting. Oh, yes. Okay. I will be ordering this. I can definitely make so like 2 years ago, I tried to make a shirt dress and it was gonna be my Christmas dress. That was like way above I had only been sewing for like 6 months. That was way above my skill set. But I could definitely make it now because I do want to make a few shirt dresses. Like this is, yes, I'm going to order this. Yes. Oh, okay. This is that same viscose crepe in blue. Love this. Hello, Gorgina. No, it's a little, only if the light hits it. So I'd have to line whatever I made in it, but I like it. I'm decided I really love drapey fabrics. Oh, this is nice. Is this the rayon? Yeah, rayon chalice or challis. This is nice. This is called Rust. I don't know how I feel about this with my skin tone. Oh no, I think it looks nice. Yeah, I was thinking about some fall dresses with this. It's very see-through, but it's good. It's really good. It's very soft. I have decided, I didn't say this in the beginning, I have decided that I will be wearing less polyester. I just want to invest a little bit more in my fabrics because I want my clothes to last. And sometimes you gotta wear some natural fibers occasionally. Now I did do some research about the wools, and from what I've learned, it's okay to have a little poly in the blend or acrylic or something, but like I'm trying to wear more. I've learned I like rayon and viscose. I'm trying to buy more of that. And I do like cotton a lot, so I'm gonna try to buy more of that. I like cotton shirting and cotton poplin and voile. So I'm trying to incorporate more of those nicer fabrics into my projects from here on out. I may still have a polyester every now and then, but I'm trying to build a wardrobe that will last me a long time. I thought I need to say that. Okay, this is Burgundy. Oh, Lady McElroy. Okay, yeah, because I've never tried her stuff. I've just heard about her from the Brits and they love her. Oh, this is very see-through. Was this one Lady McElroy? No. This is, oh, so which one's nicer? This one's thicker. This one is not as thick. And it's like, I feel like you can see through it on camera. Like hold it up to the light. You may not be able to, but like this is a no. This is not as nice. Okay, and then this is a white viscose twill, off-white viscose twill. I was very curious about this for like, I want to make another M7974 out of this for the summer. And I think this would work. The wrinkles are already driving me crazy, but I think it's really nice though. I'd have to figure out something to do with that. That's when polyester is good because it's less likely to wrinkle. But I don't want to wear polyester in the summertime in Texas, so I'm trying to do all that. And then my last one, is this a Cupra? Rayon Poplin. Okay. And this is in cashew. I think this was another alternative for the 7974. This is a little see-through, but not too much. Sorry, I said it in my face. Not too much, but I like this one. So I wanted the rayon poplin because I really like Rifle Paperco fabrics, and their rayon, I asked them, I was like, what kind of rayon is this? And they said it's rayon poplin. And I would agree, yeah, this feels similar to my other dress. And that's it, y'all. That is my swatches haul. You'll be seeing some of these in the next few months. So stay tuned. A couple housekeeping things. I am no longer a Vicky Sews brand ambassador. There's no tea there. I decided I didn't want to do it anymore because I was going to take October off and part of November from just posting and quit. I was going to quit the internet basically. But I had pre-filmed so much content that I was like, it makes no sense for you to take this off. Like, you're still gonna be posting. So I'm not doing that anymore. Hindsight, still happy I decided not to be a brand ambassador anymore because it was creating pressure for me. They weren't putting pressure on me. Oh, it got real dark again. Sorry about that. I just didn't want to deal with that anymore. I did my own internalized pressure. They were wonderful. They were like, oh, we're sorry to see you leave. So I'm not doing that anymore. So my code doesn't work if you try and use it. And I may take a little bit of a week or two off in November before I start uploading holiday content. Like if you're new here, we'll get to that. But if you're new here, I usually upload only in the first half of December. So I'm already pre-planning for that, hence all of these, because I'm thinking this is like November maybe, and then January. And then we have a whole bunch of new friends here because I had a short go viral. So hello all. Yeah, and then based upon the feedback on the last video, I will do my sewing books video soon. I'll record it because I don't only want you all to have just like talking head videos. I think I should have like a dress every now and then in my queue coming up. So I will film that and upload it later. And I think that's everything. Oh, and to already add to my sewing plans, I'm making a Halloween costume, which I plan on starting this week or next. So you'll see that video before it comes out on Halloween. But that's what's new. I hope you like my Swatch haul. I am very excited for my haul. I think it's pretty good if I only have like 3.5 duds. So I'd call that a win. But I'd recommend them. They also sent me a coupon right after I ordered that is good for the whole month, which I really appreciate versus Mood, where you have to use it in like 2 weeks. But that's neither here nor there. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.